guys, what's up? It's Crafty Cactus here today, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these little DIY monster bookmarks. So let's get on to the video and the supplies. The first supply that we will be needing is a ruler. My ruler is not a full ruler, but as long as 7 centimeters. The second thing we will be needing is Sharpies or an outlining tool. The next thing you'll be needing is a sheet of paper. It doesn't have to be a full sheet of paper as long as it is 14 centimeters or at least 14 centimeters this way. And the last thing you'll be needing is markers or stickers so you can draw on your bookmark when you're done. So let's get on to the video. To begin, you are going to take your ruler and you are going to find the 7 centimeter mark and line it up with the side. I do have a pencil right here so that if I accidentally mess up, I don't have to start over. We are just going to take the 0 centimeter mark and line it up right here. And you're going to find the 7 and you're going to just draw a little mark. Then we're going to go to the bottom and do the exact same thing. Just take your ruler, line the 0 up, and you are going to find and make a little mark at the 7 right here. Then you're just going to take your ruler and connect those lines. I'm going to go probably a little bit further, about right there, and then you're going to draw up. So this is a 7 by 7 centimeter box, and we're just going to repeat that on both sides of this. Now that we have our boxes drawn, we are going to take our ruler or anything that has a flat edge, and we are going to go draw a line from corner to corner. And make sure on these two that they are both going the same direction. So make sure this one is going this way too. Okay, now we are going to erase these lines. So take your eraser, any type of eraser that you have, and you are going to just erase and erase. Now that we have our things drawn, we are going to cut along these lines. Make sure you don't cut on the inner box, just make sure you cut along the outside edge. Okay, so now that we have this cut, you can take your ruler or whatever you're using as a flat edge and line it up to this line. You're just going to make a crease right there so that you can hold it in place. Now that you have these folded, you're going to want to have them folded over on top of each other and overlapping. Mine has a little bit of drawing right there, but this one is a little bit smaller, so I'm just going to erase that later. Now, I did forget to say that you will need a glue stick. Well, now you will need a glue stick, and you are going to take your glue stick and just put glue all over this one, and then fold it over. Now I'm just going to take my eraser and erase these lines, and you're going to let that dry for just a second. Mine still has a little bit of these lines, but as long as you have it glued here, you'll be fine. So now that you have this glued, you can now draw on your bookmark. 2 eyes here, but it wasn't really working, so I ended up just taking my glue stick lid and tracing that. So I tried to draw the mouth, but nothing was really coming out on him. But I just kept going. We traced him, we did everything we would do with a regular one, and then we just colored him in. As you can see, I finished mine, and on my first one, his eye is pretty dark, but that's okay, it still works as a bookmark. So for your bookmark, you just slide the page right in here, and there's your bookmark. Now I'm gonna make a few more, so I'll be back when I'm done. I'm just doing the exact same thing I did the first time, and we are just drawing it, and then we cut it out. And for this guy's face, he looks kind of creepy to me, but I don't really know. What do you guys think? So let's go to the next one. This one, I'm obviously doing the exact same thing, except for I'm tracing one of the other ones, so it doesn't take an hour. This one's face is a little bit cuter and less creepy. So for the last one that I have finished, which is this one, I'm going to add a little extra pom-pom or toy trinket, whatever you want to call it, onto the top. I am going to take my handy dandy hot glue gun and find exactly where on the pom-pom where I want to glue. So for me, I want to have it glued on about right here. So I'm going to take a drop of it right there on the hot glue or on the pom-pom, and then I'm going to take this one and I'm going to make sure that that doesn't touch the paper because it will burn it, and we are going to just stick it right on right there. Ooh, that's hot. And make sure you do be careful. Hot glue guns do not like when you touch them because they will burn you. So now that I have that glued on, we're just gonna let it glue or dry, I guess. But now that we have finished all of our little things, I can show you. So we have this little monster guy. He has a really, really dark blue eye. And then we have this little guy that looks kind of scary. And then we have this little guy that's a little happy monster with a little puff on his head. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye.